I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork chops in the oven full guide. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees F, pat the chops dry, season both sides generously, and let them rest at room temperature for 15 minutes. Sear each chop in a hot skillet for 2 minutes per side to develop a golden crust. Transfer to a baking dish and finish in the oven until the internal temperature reads 145 degrees F. I'll walk you through searing and oven finishing for perfect pork chops with a warm, conversational tone. Start by heating a heavy skillet until it is smoking hot, then sear each chop for about 2 minutes per side to build flavor. Transfer the skillet or chops to a 400 degrees F oven to finish cooking slowly until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees F. Rest the meat 5 minutes before serving for juicy results. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help support more content. Quick recommendation: grab some leak-proof containers to make meal prep and storing leftover pork chops a breeze. They're super handy for weeknight planning. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. For flavors that pair beautifully with pork, think simple and bright while keeping things homey. Brush chops with a mustard and honey glaze or top with herb butter made from parsley and thyme for extra richness. Pair the pork with roasted carrots or creamy, mashed potatoes and a quick apple slaw for contrast. These combinations are easy to prep, complement the meat, and make weeknight dinners feel a bit more special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.